Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another day in the life. And behind me, we have this awesome brand new 2024 BMW XM. Dude, this thing is sick. It's gonna be in for our top of the line ceramic coating from GTECHNIQ Crystal Serum Ultra. And we're also going to be tinting the front two windows with STEK 20% ceramic film, guys. This was actually supposed to be dropped off tomorrow. Customer dropped it off nice and early, so we're gonna get a good head start on this. Get this thing started. We're gonna be showing you everything that we do from the prep all the way till the end, the end result, guys. So stick around and we're gonna be showing you some awesome content.
So right now we're getting all the jams cleaned out and pressure washed. That way we have a nice clean surface when we go ahead and coat them. All right, so what TJ's doing right now is he's going around spraying the car down with iron remover. It's gonna remove any industrial fallout, rail dust, anything like that. These cars are transported usually by boat over to the United States, so it could pick up a lot of things on its way over here. We go around and remove all of that before we polish the paint, make sure we have a nice smooth surface. All right, so what we're doing now is we're going through with a mechanical decontamination with a clay bar, just to remove any embedded contaminants that didn't get pulled off with the iron remover. So this will definitely ensure that there is nothing on this paint before we apply the protection, and also polish the paint before we do that. So you could do this on paint, glass, trim, everything like that. The only thing you can't do it on is you can't clay bar like black plastic or anything like that. This car is very, very angular. It's got a lot of trim and a lot of protruding accents on the car. We just got the XM all prepped. We're gonna let it drip dry overnight, start the polishing process tomorrow, and then we'll get coating.
All right, guys, it's day 2 of our project on the BMW XM. We just tinted the windows in STEK 20% ceramic film. So we went ahead in there. That looks so much nicer. Just really brings the whole look of the vehicle together when you tint the front two windows. The guys are gonna get this now paint corrected and getting it prepped for GTECHNIQ Crystal Serum Ultra. And then over here, we have this 2024 Ford F350. It's in for full front end STEK paint protection film, along with GTECHNIQ's Crystal Serum Ultra 9-year professional ceramic coating. We have a ton of work to do over the next couple days, so looking forward to showing you guys. All right, guys, I wanted to show you, you know, what we're going to be doing here. So the guys are going to be starting the paint correction process. Now, this is a brand new vehicle, but I wanted to show you that every brand new vehicle is not perfect by any means. Now, this is pretty minor stuff, but I mean, as you can see right here, and I'll kind of move the light, hopefully the camera can catch it, but you can see just some minor, you know, I don't know what it is, love marks or whatever, just from touching it. There's some light, you know, just some marring, some light swirls in the paint. But these will all polish out. But that's why we do this step, because, you know, just because it's brand new, you know, we still paint correct it. You know, we polish it, really bring out the color and the gloss, and just really reduce a lot of those scratches before we put the coating on it. Because if we don't, then you're locking in what's underneath that coating, and we don't want to do that. We don't want to lock in those scratches. So. So I want to show you what we did here. So remember these scratches that were all here, and so hopefully the light can catch it, but they're all gone. So that's what we do in our polishing step. We're going to just get rid of those light defects, those dealership induced scratches, anything from the factory that may be on the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and do that. Guys are finishing up polishing the paint. They're going to polish the glass next. And then if you follow me over here, we completed the hood here. So as you can see, it's all trimmed out. It's flushed out. We're gonna let it dry and then start tucking these edges down. And then tomorrow we'll come in, we'll hit the fenders, and kind of finish that whole front end package along with the headlights and stuff. All right, so Greg has a hair dryer. He's now, see how he's drying this edge? So what he's gonna do is once this is fully dry, he's gonna start tucking that edge down. But this can't be wet, so we have to fully dry it, then it'll tuck and it'll stick on there really nicely. Now, one thing I want to do is I wanted to touch on these. So this particular customer wanted the PPF kind of laid in there. If you're in this industry, or if you're a consumer, you probably, you know, are wondering like kind of what we do with these. There's two different options. We gave the customer the option. We can either cut it out, or we can try and stick that PPF down in there. Customer opted for that option. We did go over with the customer, set the expectation that over time that these could, you know, these could pop. We like to actually cut these out a little bit for longevity purposes, but customer did not want that. We went ahead and stuck it down in there. We're gonna heat it up really good. You know, there's a good chance it's going to stay, but, you know, we always like to just, you know, further educate the customer, set the expectation with anything like this on any of our jobs, really, not just PPF. So, and we also had the C8 Corvette in. I'm sure if you saw it in the video. So I did want to go over that with you. So what we did was, or actually, let me tell you a little story on this vehicle. Unfortunately, he was in a little bit of a fender bender. We ceramic coated this maybe almost a year ago at this point. He got into a little fender bender, so he had to get the bumper, this door repainted, and something on the rear bumper. So what we did was we went ahead and we had to essentially polish out the whole car. Now, this is GM black, Body shops don't tend to polish and finish down paint like it should be. That's just not their line of work. That's where we come in, where we go ahead and we polish it and make it look really, really nice. So we did have to do that on this. So we had to polish out basically the entire front end because they did repaint the bumper. Then I think they blended it with the hood and this fender and things like that. So everything was pretty much swirled up from them. So we had to repolish the whole front end and this door area. And then the customer was in for the annual coating maintenance, which is we basically top it with GTECHNIQ's XO V5. But we did have to fully recoat this one with CSL and XO. So we had to do the front end with that. So, and then we also tinted this with STEK's 20% ceramic film. That looks awesome. Just gives this customer some nice privacy, some style, and just really brings together the whole vehicle. Also in the comment section, let me know what you guys think about this vehicle. It's the 2024 BMW XM. It's beautiful in my opinion. I think this is honestly one of my favorite SUVs, but what my favorite thing about this is check this out. Here, follow me guys. So my favorite part about this is the inside with the red interior, and then take a look at up on the roof. That is so sick. I feel like I'm in like a nightclub. And then you got that nice, the nice big screen here, all the little red accents. The XM kind of lit up on the seat there. That is so cool. And guys, behind me, all three vehicles, there's something in common with all three of them. All right, they are brand spanking new. You know, both of this, the truck, the XM, the C8. Now the C8 is a year old, but that thing came into us brand spanking new to get a ceramic coating. So it is so important and so ideal to get your vehicle protected right away, right from the dealership. You pick it up, bring it to us, get it protected, you know, extend the life of it. These vehicles nowadays are so expensive. It's like, why are you gonna just let it go and, you know, not keep it looking nice? It's kind of blows my mind, honestly.
All right, guys, we just laid the fenders. So as you can see, it's drying out here. We're working on the headlights now. I did this one. One thing with Ford is their headlights, the PPF doesn't stick as well. So it's a little more tricky. And then we got to let the edges dry out and really heat them down so they stay. But yeah, this is one thing Ford is known for. I don't know why, but it is what it is. We'll get it done.
Alrighty guys, we polished it, we eco-bathed it, we panel wiped it, so now it's time to put Crystal Serum Ultra on the paint. So let's get to it. Man, there's nothing better to get my day started coating this beautiful BMW than a Celsius energy drink. Celsius, if you see this, give me a sponsor. Just do it.
That?
What is up, guys? It is pickup day for this 2024 BMW XM. Take a look at it. It looks amazing. Definitely one of my favorite SUVs on the market today. So take a look.
Alrighty guys, we're not finished yet. We just wrapped up polishing on the F350. Now it's time to coat it.
What is up, guys? We just wrapped up this 2024 Ford F350. It received our full front end paint protection film, as well as GTECHNIQ's Crystal Serum Ultra 9-year coating for the ultimate protection, easy maintenance, things like that. So what this one received was the hood, fenders, headlights, mirror caps, no bumper because it's chrome. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna be making more videos like this, so stay tuned for the next one. Have a good day.